Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make Turkish flatbread. It's easy, healthy and delicious. We need 300 grams bread flour, 75 grams chopped onions, 120 grams shredded cheese, a half cup of chopped parsley, 75 milliliters of lukewarm milk, 2 medium-sized eggs, 30 milliliters of olive oil, 7 grams dried yeast, 3 grams of salt. Okay guys, let's start our mixing. Crack the eggs and beat them till the yolks and the white mix well. Milk in, salt, olive oil, dried yeast. Mix them well. Now let's put in the bread flour. Let's use hands, but if you have a mixer, you may use it too. I have a dough mixer in the storeroom, but I'd like to show you a simple way without too many tools possible. Okay, we can pour in onions, followed by shredded cheese, parsley. I freezed my parsley to keep them fresh. Mix and knead a while. Apply some flour on kneading board. Let's put some water into the batter bowl to avoid dried flour stick around. Do some light kneading by rounding it and then roll it to shape an oval or bolster. Cut equally into 8 pieces. Round them one by one. Let's get a big pan with lid. Apply some oil on its surface. This piece is thinner and it looks bigger, and it takes about 3 to 4 minutes for each side to cook. Here are the other two. Here you can see the thickness, around 6 millimeters. Doesn't matter, it's a little slanted. You can fix it while in pan. Flip it after about 2.5 to 3 minutes. Then do the same. Flip it again before taking it out from the pan. And this going to be the last piece. It's okay, it doesn't matter. It's a little slanted, but you can always fix it while in pan. It's done. Don't worry about the size and thickness. They are equally delicious. Let's cut each into 4. Let me have some bites. Yummy! It's my first time trial and not bad with this great result. I bet you can make it too. Try make it, okay? Thanks much for watching. Like, share and subscribe, okay? See you again.